So today I want to talk about this JOBY mount that I got at Best Buy. I really like it. You can get this thing in so many different positions. This knob is really easy to use. You just put it to the position you want. You tighten the knob, and I guess it just tightens this ring and this little plastic bit here together, and then it locks it together so you can't move it. So it's really great, and you just loosen it to make it bendable again. And then I like how it's just got threads on each side. I'm sure all of them, or most of the mounts that are suction cup mounts out there are like this or very similar to it, but this was also only $20, so it's very cheap. So far it's pretty good. I used it on my car. I put it on the outside of the car. You just gotta make sure that this is clean. You gotta make sure that the surface you're putting it on is clean. But you just put it on the surface and you can actually see that suction cup move. Oh, another thing I want to talk about, it's got this cool plastic tab. So when you're ready to pull it off of whatever you have it on, you just unlock it with the locking ring, pull the tab back, and it just comes right off. I'll show you here in just a second. So we'll put it on the table, push it real hard, lock it. I mean, it's on there. It's not going anywhere. Okay, so then you unlock it, grab your tab, pull it back, and it just peels right off. It's that easy. Another thing, it already uses the same thread as most of your other, or as all of the GoPro attachments that I have. Well, they're not GoPro, but that's all of the mounting attachments I have. So I can put this guy on here. The tripod I'm using for this video with my phone, or the camera on my phone, I can use that attachment on here as well. I can use all the attachments that have threading on them that came with the kit that I bought too. So yeah, I'm super happy with it. I might even if I don't want to use the suction cup part, that's great, because if I make like a magnetic mount or something that has the same threading in it, I can just screw this guy in there and I'm good to go. So that's another thing I really like about this, is just this hardware is super universal and I'm going to be able to use it for a lot of different things. So one example of the way I'm using it in my car, this is one of the mounting plates that came with my action camera, and it's got some threading on it, so I just went ahead and screwed it in, and you got these straps holding it in, or at least the mounting plate, and they've got these cool little brackets, so hopefully it won't go anywhere. But yeah, this is just one of the many ways you can use it, and I'll be able to adjust this knob and move it in any direction I need it to be inside the car. What I have noticed is that the suction cup material is already starting to peel back, so I don't know if that's good or not. I've only had it for a day. I have used it on my car. It's got to make really solid contact. I'll show you guys kind of how this is going to work. So as you can see, because it's not a flat surface, it's having a lot of trouble. Alright, so it's on there, but if I pull just a little bit, I mean, I think this would be okay. I think you'd be alright to put a camera here and get some really cool footage. You might even be able to, something like that, and have your camera kind of pointing down at the ground there. You might be able to get some cool shots near your wheel, or something like that. So, and then to release, just, yeah. But if you've got a dirty area like right here, it's gonna not really stick very well. I mean, it will stick, but you might be able to get something cool. But yeah, it's just a cool little mount. Yeah, the suction cup is kind of large though. I wanted to kind of give you a size comparison. So here's my invisible glass cleaner can. I'm gonna take the cap off. So you can see it's pretty big. That can be good and bad. You may have some difficulty finding a spot to put it onto that's large enough. Some of my glass isn't big enough. I really want to put it on the rear plastic part of my top, but I'm really worried it's gonna bounce around a lot, and that's not gonna be very good for footage. But anyways, thanks for watching.